見大な夢の後の何もない世の中じゃそうさ愛しい思いも負けそうになるけどステイしかしないイメージだらけの頼りない翼でもきっと飛べるさ Oh yeah 無限大な夢の後のやるせない世の中じゃそうさ常識外れも悪くはないからスペースそんなイメージを染めたぎこちない翼でもきっと飛べるさ Oh my life
This is the first ever machine I'm constructing from the first ever Sonic the Hedgehog series from 2014, known as Sonic Boom. Tonight we're gonna draw Obliterator Bot, one of Dr. Robotnik's greatest weapons. Well, I've already seen we've already noticed Obliterator Bots over for like 1,000 times already. So, in a good way, we decided to draw him now. And show him how... And show you all how well I am at drawing this guy. You ever seen three-dimensional art? Well, this is what it looks like. As a wise man once told us, I care for your well-being. Here are the construction-like structures on the sides of his body. Kind of like the Egg Crusher from Sonic Prime. Technically, Sonic Boom came before Sonic Prime. And it was one of my favorites. Right before I found out Sonic X existed. At first I had no interest in Sonic X. I still wanted to catch up on the Sonic Boom series. Well, after Sonic Boom was concluded, I started watching Sonic X when I first found out about Cream and Cheese. Those two were the sweetest characters, and two of my favorites for the series. I didn't see much of it after a while. Well, after the ML saga, I found it more exciting. And then after that, there was the Cosmo versus the Metarex arc. I found that exhilarating as well. You are so gonna get screwed. Well, the Metarex saga, seeing the Metarex's demise, and the Cosmo conspiracy was one of my favorites in the Sonic the Hedgehog X finale. Here's his arm. Quality. Alexa, play I Will Survive by Demi Lovato.
I Will Survive by Demi Lovato on Amazon Music.
Here's his arms.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and so you're back.
There we are.
I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lie. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Hey. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me. Somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone else loving me. Going down, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Was you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my life to give. I will survive. I will survive.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
You see, Sonic Boom is a... Now, it's, well, in that show, things are a bit more evolved. Yes, Orbot and Cubot are in it. And, well, they have to save their home from Dr. Robotnik. And he has this ridiculous new gambit for turning Hedgehog Village into his own theme park. Nuts, right? Alexa, what is Sonic Boom?
A sonic boom is a sound associated with shock waves created when an object travels through the air faster than the speed of sound. Sonic booms generate enormous amounts of sound energy, sounding similar to an explosion or a thunderclap to the human ear. A decibel is the primary unit measurement of sound.
Alright. Sums that up. Now we draw his buzzsaw. Alexa, what is a buzzsaw?
Buzzsaw is a noun meaning a power-operated circular saw, so named because of the noise it makes.
Shoot. There we are. And finished. That's how you draw. That's how you draw obliterator bots. Come on, buzzsaw. Done. There he is. It might take me some time to fix up this buzzsaw. That's more like it. There. That is how you draw obliterator bot. Now let's get wrecked. Oh, one more thing. Just gotta draw this mark here. There he is. That is obliterator bots. Now let's get rockin'.